Telling you, man, about this guy last summer.
We don't even know.
Okay.
What is
Hey! Listen up! Alright, we got some unwanted visitors here today, and I need you guys to take them out. You hear me? Take them out.
Guys, what did we get ourselves into?
So you want to go back to school?
No.
Well, you better get your act together then. We all better get our act together.
Okay, Erica, calm down. Nobody wants to go back to school, okay? We just have to plant the idea.
Yeah, but let's be realistic. You forgot one thing. Planting ideas in someone else's head is impossible. Inception is impossible.
Why are we here? Oh my god! It is possible! It is impossible!
Guys! It's not impossible.
And how are you so sure?
Because I've done this before. Show off. Okay, thanks for coming, guys. I know it was short notice, but it's good you're all here.
Alright guys, so why are we calling this meeting? I want to go outside and enjoy the rest of summer, or what's left of it.
I wish it was summer forever.
But see, that's why I called you here. It can be summer forever. We have a plan. We can make it happen.
Boy, what you talking about?
I'm gonna explain it to you. It's called Inception. Inception is the planting of an idea in someone's dream.
How exactly is that going to extend summer?
By using Inception, we're gonna convince Mr. Danichi that summer has only just begun, not that it's just ended. We're gonna break into Mr. Danichi's subconscious. In other words, we're gonna infiltrate his dream. We're gonna go over to the school right now, because currently Mr. Danichi is planning the walkathon, and this is about the time of day where he takes his nap. Once we find out where he's taking a nap, we'll use our powerful sedative and the dream box to get into his dream. We'll also set the box so that when we get into the dream, into Danichi's subconscious, we'll be armed with tranquilizer guns, just in case something goes wrong.
How do we get out of this dream?
Paul, have you ever experienced it in a dream where you feel like you're falling right when your dream ends? That's the kick. That's how we get out of the dream.
But when does the kick happen, and how?
We'll establish a time before we go into the dream of when we need to be out by. And Julian and Clinton will be watching over us from the real world. We'll play a song through the headphones into one of our ears so we can hear it inside the dream. And that'll let us know that it's time for us to get out. So you guys with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Sweet dreams.
See you.
Okay, I got it running, so get in, but I gotta call Jay first. Okay, I am glad that you guys made it, but what exactly happened to you, Erica? Like, what was going on down there?
Yeah, I ended up in a different place than where you guys did. I hope the other group's okay.
Well, what's going on, guys? This whole dream sequence thing has got me confused. Erica, that guy that was chasing you, he looked a lot like Jesse.
Now that I think about it, that guy did look like Jesse. And the other guy looked like Paul.
Well, at least we can tell who our friends are. 'Cause, you know, they're not wearing spiffy clothes like we are.
Guys, we didn't get off to the best start, so we better make sure that from now on we're smooth sailing. Stay out of trouble.
Let's just meet up with Jesse's team, and we'll try to figure out what we have to do from there. Okay, let's just stay out of trouble. Jesse, you there? Jesse. Jason. Hey, Jesse. Did you guys enter the dream world yet? Yeah, we just got here. Well, I'm with the others right now. Where did you guys end up? Yeah, I'm here with David, Cheryl, Rachel, and Paul. I guess we got split up. We're a ways away from the school, but we just found a car, so we're gonna drive there now. Yeah. Okay, before you get over here, I want to let you guys know that Danichi has protection. Wait, what? Protection? Yeah, he has backup. Whose job was it to figure out if he had protection or not? You mean he's trained? Well, Danichi must be thinking about student council a lot because his protection. They look like us. That makes this a whole lot tougher, man. Okay, guys, just get here as quickly as you can. Yeah, okay.